In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Yahoo filter. If emails are getting filed into the wrong folder or a rule you created is no longer useful, removing that filter will stop Yahoo Mail from auto-sorting those messages going forward. I'll walk you through the process from opening Yahoo to confirming the filter is gone, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your web browser and typing yahoo.com into the address bar. When the page loads, head to the upper right corner and select Sign In. If you see an option to continue with your existing Yahoo Mail account, use that. Otherwise, enter your account details and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to verify your sign-in. Wait a moment for the login process to complete. Once you're signed in, look toward the upper right of the Yahoo homepage and click Mail to open your inbox. In your mailbox, find the settings gear icon, usually near the top right. Click it, then choose More Settings to open the full settings panel. In the left-hand menu, select Filters. This is where Yahoo lists all the rules that automatically sort incoming messages. You'll see each filter by name along with its conditions and the destination folder. Click the specific filter you want to remove to open its details and make sure you've selected the correct one. Next, click the delete icon, typically displayed as a trash can. A confirmation prompt will appear to prevent accidental changes. Click delete to confirm. That's it, the filter is now removed and new incoming emails will no longer be handled by that rule. A couple of helpful notes here. Deleting a filter doesn't move any messages that were previously sorted, it only affects new mail. If you wanted to tidy up old messages, you can manually move them from the folder where the filter had placed them. If emails still seem to be going to a folder after you delete one filter, check the filters list again. There may be another rule doing the same thing. You can delete additional filters the same way. Select the filter, click the trash icon, and confirm. Finally, give your inbox a quick refresh and keep an eye on new messages to make sure they land where you expect. That's the full process from signing in to Yahoo Mail, opening settings, navigating to filters, selecting the rule you no longer need, and confirming the deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll sign in the $100, and I hope this helps keep your inbox organized exactly the way you want.